Okay, hi everybody. Today, for YouTube, I'm going to be playing Hello Neighbor. Okay. So, ended up doing it on PC, not phone. I like playing Hello Neighbor. It's fun. I've already beat Act 1. But I'm gonna redo it so you guys can watch me do this. Actually, do I want to, I'm already in Act 2 in that stupid basement thingy. Yeah. I'm still like I skipped that sort of. Sorry, whatever. So why is the Xbox thing loading? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna select new game. Okay, I should be in Act 1. Yep, I already completed it. Yada yada yada. Got to the basement. I did everything I needed to do before. People are sinning in this neighborhood or something. Supposedly, yeah. Yes, everything. Ryan, you're speed running. Yeah, I'm gonna try to like speed run or whatever. So, yeah, you could say I'm speed running, I guess. I mean, I'm not, but whatever. I'm gonna say I am. So how I do it is, I do it like a complicated way because it's hard getting up there. Right? I don't even think you can. On a phone, I was able to, but that's just not the greatest quality. And I just upload. I'm trying to upload more since I just figured out how to make YouTube videos. Cause I just figured it out. Yeah. So I'm doing this like 20 minutes after I just uploaded the other one. So yeah, my upload schedule is gonna be better. I still do a lot of live streams. So I'm not gonna stop doing live streams or anything. Just because I figured out how to like yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna like stop doing live streams. Damn it! How can the neighbor climb up there? I literally was just about to get on the roof and the neighbors ruined it. Come on, there's glue on the floor now. Come on, neighbor, I just wanna... Stupid neighbor. Alright, where's this guy? It's right there. I feel like chucking this at his head. That was hilarious. Yeah, you can't touch me. I'm going into my house. Okay, let's spy on him. If I look through my window, he could see that I'm looking at him. If I look through his door, he can't. Alright, he went in. That's when I come out. Onto his property. Like a creep. No, actually no. I mean like an interior crocodile alligator. Transmission of a movie creator. Damn! Bro, I need to adjust that. That's like, I need to move that trash can. And whatever. Right here. That's good. Yes! Come on, good. Yes! Okay, Ryan, make this jump. No! Oh crap. This guy's about to get me. He's scary. Neighbor, I was never on your property. I was never on your property, sir. Okay. Where is he? I see him. Okay, I see him. Okay. Guys. Okay, so basically, I wonder if the girls and stealth. Try to rush it a little bit. Not like I'll, not rush, but yeah, you gotta get the rush. Yes, I got up here finally. Turn that window too. Then I'm gonna throw his chair out this window. He can't get up here. Oh yeah, it's painting. Put it on the floor. Now. Alright, let me get through, game. Alright, there we go. This is what I do. Immediately place. Do I hear a neighbor? Because I swear to God. This guy can't get up here, right? Right there. Hopefully he doesn't know. Like, here, can you get up here? I swear to God, if he can, this game's so weird. I don't want to be calling this game rigged. But, come on, painting. I've done this before. Pushed up against the wall. Come on, painting. Painting. I at least want to make this look neat. Like, neighbor, I'm trying. Alright, that's good. Alright, here comes the annoying part, I guess you can call it. Stupid chair. As you guys can see, the red keys right there. So, watch it. Oh, wait, can I see up here? Yeah, so, if you guys haven't beat the game, I'll show you how to basically do it. But first, just in case, like, I can't get up here again, and open this. Also, so I can get out properly. That's funny. Alright. Okay. See? Like, outside here? Damn it. Bro, I wasn't here, okay? Like, Jamal, chillax. Like, I was not here. He's right there. Like, I feel like chucking a banana on his head again. It just feels so something. Damn it. Missed. Eso misto. Okay. Now, oh yeah, I remember. Okay. That dude's right there. He's right there, bro. Oh no, bro, you're not catching me. I'm fast. You're slow. See the difference? But I love how I struck the chair on that window. Kicks his own chair. Just sneak over here. Sneaky, sneaky. Sneaky, sneak, sneak. Okay. Box here. A box here. Hey, does this work? Maybe it can. It worked. I cannot believe it. I mean, no joking. Hey guys. Alright. Oh boy, I almost got caught. I don't know if I get caught with the ranks, like, it'll, like, take it away. I don't think so. If it did, I'd be like, get out of this video. Oof. Stupid. 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 See if I can check this item. For this guy didn't hit you. I did. Common sense, regard. Okay, go inside. Do your thing. Make that house smell real stinky. Yeah. Alright. So look. Sorry, guys. Okay, now that I have this, let me think. Okay, so now that I have this, I will do a part 2. I think I need to go. So what I'm gonna do is save. Okay, so guys, I think I am going to, stop the video here, and I will, do a part 2 later. Okay, so bye everybody. See you in a future video. Bye bye.